days, it's relationship building. We need to break down the silos. We need to work together as a company to become successful.
First of all, Itzhard kicked it off together with Jaap Maljers. Where are we going? What will the future plans of Incision will look like?
Great to see all my international colleagues again on this event, so it's a great start of the year. Been very insightful. One of the external speakers we had really opened up a lot about how they're approaching the market, and we really learned a lot about that.
I feel that our colleagues in US share the same challenges that we have in the Middle East.
Also got a lot of feedback from the different teams in our organization around how we should cooperate and things we should do and shouldn't do.
I am in Amsterdam with my colleagues, which is wonderful. I love coming into the office, and I love getting to know everybody.
Besides the cold, it's very, very cold here. Yeah, we have so much fun, actually.
The energy is perfect. I love the energy of everyone, and everybody is so involved and feels connected to each other. I definitely think that we need to do this go next year.